Holiday season is approaching fast, and if you're looking for the perfect gift for the audio lover in your life, the BOSE QuietComfort Ultra headphones have you covered. So when it comes to the look and the feel of the QuietComfort Ultra headphones, it's a real modern look design to it. It's really sleek. So if you're going to be dressing up and you still want to rock your headphones, they are going to look real stylish with whatever you're wearing. And the comfort, it's super light and the padding is so comfortable. I really like the comfort on these as well. So if you're going to be doing a lot of traveling this holiday season to visit friends or family and you want some noise canceling on the plane, the BOSE QuietComfort Ultra headphones have world-class noise canceling for you to get you through those trips. And when it comes to the sound quality on the QuietComfort Ultra headphones, they sound really nice and clean. You will get nice, clean mids and highs, so vocals and instruments, but also great bass. You get a nice low-end rumble on this that surprised me with the QuietComfort Ultra headphones. I really did like it. But my favorite feature is the immersive audio with the QuietComfort Ultra headphones. It just feels like you're in the studio with the artist while they're recording. And when you put these on and you're turning your head around, you could just hear instruments in different areas around you. It's amazing. So if you're looking to get a great pair of headphones for your holiday travels, or if you're looking to get a gift for the audio lover in your life, the QuietComfort Ultra headphones are a great way to go. Also, they have multiple colors for you to choose from. I put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and check it out yourselves. I'll see all of you in my next video. Everyone be safe out there and have a happy holidays. Peace.